All right, good day everyone. Crypto Tony here. Gonna give you all a brief explanation of the simplest way to buy all the oil coins that you want to buy. The company I'm talking about today is Binance. One of the simplest ways to buy cryptocurrencies. Um, you don't need any verification. You don't need to send any driver's license, any ID, all that sort of information. Sign up, send your Bitcoin, your Ethereum here, and then you could do your exchange. So I'm actually going to show you all quickly how to do that transaction, how that whole process works. All right. So first and foremost, you want to get Bitcoin. All right. You could sign up on Coinbase. Of course, if you sign up on Coinbase, then you could send it to your wallet. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description. Once you sign up with Coinbase with my link, you'll get $10 free. All right, so I'll leave that link in the description for you also. All right, you want to go on a website called coinmarketcap.com. All right, I'll leave that link in the description also. And when you go on coinmarketcap.com, you see they have a list of all of the coins that are in circulation. And you could click on any of these items here, the name, it changed in 24 hours, dent, they went up 64%. You could click on that and you could see the biggest movers, the biggest, changes to the market basically. Yeah. And what you could do is you could check out and see what coin you want to get. All right. You could see here market cap. You could press all. This will show you all from number 1 all the way down to the last one. Bitcoin, of course, being on top because, of course, they have the highest market cap. So when you're looking at these coins, you want to look at their market cap, the value, the amount that they have, the amount that they have in circulation. And you want to look for coins that have a max supply. Coins that do not have a max supply, what tends to happen is that they have, the coin keeps on increasing, so the price would most likely stay very low. A coin that broke out from that recently was Ripple. But if you look at the amount of Ripple that is available and the amount that is in circulating supply, and they had a huge breakout from that also. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you an example. You find a coin here on CoinMarketCap that you want to invest in. You find out about the project. You do your research, and let's say we want to buy Ripple. So Ripple is at 73 cents. I'm going to do a simple example. You could click on the markets and you could see here, all right, Binance here is actually trading Ripple. So we know we could get it on Binance. Binance traded 78 million within 24 hours. You could check out what is Ripple about. You could go to their social, you will see all their Twitter feeds, the Japan bank, all these different things about Ripple, what's happening here. Historical data about Ripple, where was Ripple at? Different, you could see it by the days and things like that also. For the last 12 months, you could go back as far as you need to, and you could see a move from when Ripple was 20 cents on December 8th to now it's 75 cents on December 16th. All right. So let's say, all right, I'm going to do an example. I'm going to buy Ripple today. So you use the link in the description and you sign up for Binance. All right. When you sign up for Binance, you'll come to their homepage. This is what their homepage will be looking like. Now, do not be intimidated by all of these numbers, the red and the green blinking and all this sort of stuff. Don't be intimidated by that. You're going to figure out pretty soon how simple this whole thing is. I'm going to put all your fears to sleep right here, right now. All right. So what you want to do is you're going to go up to funds. All right. The first thing you want to do is identify how much money you want to invest. You press deposit and withdrawals. All right. You go here on deposit and withdrawals. You're actually going to see all these coins come up. Do not be intimidated. I would advise that you send Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I will show you why shortly. I would advise that you send Ethereum over Bitcoin because, of course, the network is very slow at the moment. So you can just type in ETH, and you would actually see Ethereum come up. Or if you want to be more adventurous, you could actually just scroll down and you can see Ethereum right here. All right. I personally like to search it. All right. So I see Ethereum here. When you see Ethereum, you click deposit, right? And then on here now, if you have your wallet on your computer, if you could copy this address, right? Copy this address and you could use it on your Coinbase or wherever you have your Bitcoin or Ethereum stored, and you could send Ethereum or Bitcoin to Binance. I personally like to use a QR code, scans it, it's a bit more accurate, and then I could also, when you do scan it, just please make sure that you double check the first two and the last two, the last three, make sure that's what's on the wallet. All right, so I already went ahead and I sent Ethereum to my wallet. So as you can see, I have 0.20, and this came in a heartbeat. The transaction was very fast. All right, so I have 0.20 Ethereum, as you can see it right here. So after you press deposit and you send your Ethereum here, this is, you would see the balance here, total balance, you'd see it right here. All you have to go to is funds, deposit withdrawal, and you would see the total balance there. All right. So what I'm actually going to do now, seeing that I have Ethereum in my wallet, 0.20 as you see, I am going to go to the exchange. And you want to go to basic. Don't go to advanced, that might confuse you a bit. Go to basic. All right. When you go to Binance and you go exchange and you press basic, this page is going to come up. Now again, do not be intimidated. This is very simple. You're going to see how simple this is very, very soon. All right. So what you want to do is you want to go up on the top right here. Will you see where I'm selecting? Right on the top here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, USDT. USDT is Tether, right? That is a cryptocurrency that is valued to be almost always at $1. So it's like a safe currency in a sense. You have Binance coin, right, which you can pay your fees with. Of course, I believe their coins will be going up also. You have Ethereum and you have Bitcoin. So you select whatever you send to your wallet to do any exchanges with, that is what you want to select. All right, so if you have Bitcoin in your wallet to exchange, you click Bitcoin. If you have Ethereum, you click Ethereum. I have Ethereum. All right, so if I click Ethereum here, right, all I need to do, you see this little box at the bottom here? I want to buy Ripple. All right, remember we said we're going to buy Ripple. Ripple, we went up to 74 cents. So Ripple is what I want to buy. So all I need to do, you can see here, XRP. That is the name for Ripple. XRP. All right, XRP. So you see, XRP / ETH. Right, Ripple to Ether. I'm going to click on that. Right, and what you want to do now, this is the simplest way in order for you to buy your Ripple or any cryptocurrency you want on Binance without any issues. Because if you just select here and you press buy all, you might end up waiting in a queue for a very long time. So what I'm going to select here, actually, the last price for Ripple was 0.0010461. So I want to get something. As a matter of fact, look at this. There's somebody that has this here and they have 1571 available. So I'm going to select this here. And if you look at this here, every time I select, the price will change. You see that? The price is changing. So I want the best possible price. Right? So I am actually going to buy this here. And because this here is all the sellers in the red and this here is all the buyers. So I am going to sell this. I'm going to buy from this here, this person. All right? So all you do is click this here. How much do you want to buy? 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. And this number could be adjusted. And all I do is press buy. All right, succeed. Right? I have no open orders. You see? You go back here to funds, deposit withdrawals. All right? And then when this page loads, all you press is hide zero balances. All right? Let us see if we are seeing Ripple in here. All right. Okay, apparently it did not come as yet. Oh, wait, hold up. It's right here. Ripple is right here. Immediately, you get your Ripple in your wallet. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I will be willing to answer any of your questions. All of the links will be in the description. Enjoy the rest of your day.